Okay, we're going to do a brief video on day trading. We're going to show you two methods, both simple and easy. And we've got Bitcoin up here, but you can use this on a variety of different instruments, and we'll go over that in a minute. But let's take a look at this 1 minute chart for Bitcoin. First thing you want to do is put on moving averages. I'm going to show you an algorithmically generated way to do this and a moving average way to do this. And stick with me to the very end, and I'll show you how to get the algorithmically generated prices for absolutely free. So let's take a look at these moving averages. First, you want to put a 5-bar moving average and then a 20-bar moving average on here. Keep in mind, this is a 1 minute chart. We're using Bitcoin. You could do S&P 500. It works great on that. You can do it on the currencies, but I chose Bitcoin for convenience. So let's take a look at Bitcoin, and let's say we want to buy. Now, what we're looking for is a setup, and we're going to get an exact entry price. So let's take this right here. We want to buy. The first thing we're going to do is look for the 20-bar moving average to be trending up. We do not want to do this when it's going down. I'll show you how to short in a minute. But we're doing this, we're looking to buy, so we want this to be going up. So worst case, flat to going up is what we're looking for. So let's go right here. What we're looking for is a crossover so that the green 5-bar is above the red 20-bar, and that price, the close of the price, is above all of that. So let's take a look at this one right here. That has a close of 19,116. That's our entry price for the next bar. So 19,116, and we look and see, can we get in? Yes, we can. So now we're in at 19,116 on a 1 minute chart. And now we can there's a variety of things we can do. We can ride this up until the 5 minute crosses the 20 on the downside and get out, or we can just ride it up and get out whenever we feel like it. Right here it went to 19,164. You could have got out here at roughly 19,176. So you can see tremendous opportunity, very little effort put in to design this system. You put on a 5-bar moving average, a 20-bar moving average, and when price closes above all of that, you use that price for the next bar to enter the trade. Now, do you want to enter the trade up here after you clearly see an uptrend? You could, but it's not as lucrative in my opinion, and it's also more risky. You want to try to get into the bottom, but not the very bottom of the turn. Not down here, but here, where you see the 20-bar moving average start to turn up. It can go flat or it start to turn up. You wouldn't want to do it right here because it may continue down. You want to see it start to go up a little bit. You want the 5-bar above it and the closing price above it. So right here, this 19,119, see if you could get in the next bar. You can, and boom, you're in long, and you get out whenever you want to, or worst case, get out when the green crosses the red to the downside. Same thing on the short side. The shorting is absolutely the same, it's just you do it in reverse. So you're looking for price to be below the green to be below the red 20-bar. And let's just take a quick look at it and say where we are here. Let's take a look and expand it a little bit. We want it also to be turning down. So let's take this one right here. And we've got a close of 19,152. We check and see if we could have gotten in. We can. So we're short at 19,152. We could have got out of this bar right here at 19,149, picked up a few points. You could have kept it going down here and got out at 19,138. Remember, we're short, so the lower the price we cover, the better we are. So we could have probably gotten out here anywhere in this range, 138, 152 to 138. What is that? 15 ticks on Bitcoin. So that's a very simple 1 minute crossover for moving averages to day trade, and you can again do Bitcoin, SP 500, currencies, a lot of different things. You obviously want to make sure you do your own analysis and make sure that it works for you. This is all for entertainment purposes only, but that's a very simple moving average day trading system. Now let's go and look at an algorithmic trading system. We're going to switch this chart to an hourly chart. The other one was a 1 minute chart. This is Bitcoin 1 hour. So now we're going to go down to the algorithmically generated prices that RBM Research puts out. We have them right here, and we put out for every morning before 7 a.m. we put out, actually the Bitcoin comes out just after 8:30 p.m. the night before, but it's definitely out before 7 a.m. the next day, and each morning. And so this is for the 26th. We haven't put it out yet for tonight, but we will here in a couple hours. Now you take a look. This is 9:26 this morning. We put these out 1, 2, 5, 10, 20-day hold periods. We're doing day trading, so we're going to go to the 1 day hold. Normally you would buy, if your own analysis said it's a good idea, at this price and hold until the close of the next trading day. So buy today, close out tomorrow. But you can use the 1 day column to day trade with. Now it's not always perfect, but nothing is perfect, and this is all entertainment. But let's take a look at what it says here. BTC for the 26, this is to buy at 18,861. So let's go and take a look and see what that would have meant. Buy at 18,861. This is an hourly chart. 18,861. We could have got filled in on this one. And was that last night? No, it was not. We'd have to go to here. This was last night, 3 o'clock in the morning. 18,861. We could have got in there, and you can see we would have banged this huge rally to 19,289. So we made huge gains on this just in a few hours. You'd have had to trade in the middle of the night, but you could have done it. Let's see what would have happened here. 18,861. You could have gotten here. Again, you could have gotten here at 7 in the morning, and again, 18,861, and you would have banged out. If you stayed, let's say not best case, but almost best case, you got 19,239 and banged out great money just following these algorithmically entered prices. Instead of holding them, you can use them a lot of times to day trade. Again, you trade at your own risk. This is all for entertainment purposes only. But that's two ways you can look at this, the moving average system and our algorithmically generated prices. I told you I'll show you how to get them absolutely free, and I will. You can get everything we offer at rbamresearch.com. Absolutely free. No credit card required. We cover 190 stocks. We cover the major Forex pairs. We cover BTC crypto that I just showed you, and we also cover the S&P 500, crude oil, and gold, T-bonds for the futures contracts. You can definitely use the S&P 500 for day trading. You just use the daily column for buys and the 2-day column for shorts. But of course, all entertainment purposes only, and you have to do your own analysis. Crude oil, gold, treasury bonds are a little slow for day trading. Sometimes you can use these for day trading T-bonds. You can definitely trade the Forex pairs, assuming your own research says it's good. And as you see, you can use for trading crypto. And I find it's very helpful and entertaining to watch it for the SP 500. Again, all for entertainment purposes only, but absolutely free. Link is in the description below. Just head over there, put in your email address, and get them for no cost whatsoever. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you have a comment to leave us about day trading, please do that and leave it in the comment section. We'd appreciate it. Love to hear from you. Keep in mind that everything you've seen or heard on here, including my analysis and my and RBAM Research's entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. You can't use them for anything other than entertainment. You have to do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.